Hello everyone, classics pupils, welcome to our lesson today. And our lesson today, I want us to take you through the use of suppose, the use of be afraid, and the use of no used together with a clause in a sentence. So feel welcome. Make sure you have all the necessary learning materials you need to copy these notes, and after that there will be an exercise to test on your understanding, and make sure that after doing the exercise you always submit it for marking. So feel welcome and enjoy the lesson. A clause is a group of words with subject and a verb that form part of a sentence. A clause is a group of words with subject and a verb that form part of a sentence. The word suppose shows that someone thinks that something will happen, but they are not sure that it will. The word suppose shows that someone thinks that something will happen, but they are not sure that it will. So when you are using this word suppose in a sentence with a clause, you are using it to think that something will happen. You just think something is going to happen, but you are not sure that it will happen. You think that something will happen, but you are not sure that it will happen. Let us look at this example. I suppose the Jamhuri Day celebration are starting at noon. I suppose the Jamhuri Day celebrations are starting at noon. You suppose is something you think that will happen, but you are not sure. You are not sure. It can start in the morning, it can start in the evening. So you are not sure, but you suppose. So you just use the word suppose to show that what you think that will happen, showing what you think will happen, but you are not sure that it will happen. So the moment you are talking of something that you think will happen and not sure of, you are supposed to use the word suppose. I suppose she will come in the morning. I suppose my mother will go to the market tomorrow. So you think she will go to the market, but you are not sure. You are not sure. Another part, we have I am afraid. Use of the word afraid. I am afraid. I am afraid is a polite way. It's a polite way of saying that someone is sorry. It's a polite way of saying that someone is sorry that they are about to disappoint somebody. You are sorry you just first apologize. It's like a very polite way of saying that someone is sorry that they are about to disappoint somebody. When you are about to disappoint somebody of what he or she was expecting, you better use the word I am afraid. It's a very polite way of saying that you are sorry because you are going to disappoint somebody. Let us see this example. I am afraid the wedding gown is not yet ready. I am afraid the wedding gown is not yet ready. So you are going to disappoint the person who was expecting this wedding gown. So as a polite way of showing or saying sorry that you are going to disappoint her, you have or you are supposed to start with the word I am afraid. I am afraid the wedding gown is not yet ready. It's a very polite way. So if you want to apologize of something, or you are going to disappoint somebody on what he or she was expecting, you are supposed to use the word afraid. I am afraid. We are afraid we won't come today. Last part, we have use of the word to know. To know or know something is to be certain or sure about. You are certain or you are sure about something. That is to know. For example, Dennis knows that the party to celebrate his birthday is here. Dennis knows that the party to celebrate his birthday is here. This is what he is sure of. He is certain. He is very certain that something, he is very sure that the party to celebrate his birthday is here. So when you want to use know, you are sure of something you are talking about. You are certain of what you are talking about. So be very careful on how you use those three words. The first one I've said suppose. And suppose you have said is something that you think will happen, but you are not sure about it. You are not sure about it. I suppose my father will travel tomorrow. You think that he will travel, but you are not sure about that. So when you are talking of something that you are not sure about, you suppose. Afraid, a polite way to say sorry. A polite way to say sorry for disappointing somebody. To know, when you are talking of something that you are sure or you are certain of. So pupils, we've come to an end of our lesson today. So kindly make sure you copy those notes, and make sure also you do the exercise that I'm giving at the end of this lesson. This is to test on your understanding, and after doing the exercise, make sure you send it for marking. Be blessed.